afternoon, classmate, and especially my teacher. I'm Monica Fernandez, 11 Voltaire, and this is my poetry in art communication. And this is the title, Family. I still remember every word that my mother and father always speak to me, every piece of advice, that I was not alone, every care and every smile, that I see every time I wake up in the morning, even that they are tired of sacrificing just for our daily food. Every tiredness they suffer to give us what we need to. I'm very grateful for their sacrifice as well as to my brothers and sisters who support and talk